Thank you for your interest in this MAZAK 14 by 40 engine lathe. It's in great condition and we've had it about a month. We sold its twin and it comes equipped with a lot of tooling. Let's do a brief overview and then Jack will run it for us. It's quite tight in here, so we'll just do the best we can. The ways look beautiful. And there's the gap. Oh, this is original paint. Very nice. And it does come equipped with all the tooling listed on the quote. I think you'll see most of that here. There's the change gears. And the other chucks. Here's the taper.
It's in 198 right now. Okay. It's in 120. As you can see, it's very quiet.
Boy, that sounds great.
Okay, you want to go to a little higher RPM?
Sure.
As you can see that the brake works wonderfully. That's 750.
750. Oh, look at that brake.
I'll make sure this is tight.
Before you get it ripping?
Yeah, because the next, well, I'll put it in 1250, not the 2000.
Okay.
Okay, we'll get it down this.
What one's that?
That's 483. There's the cross slide. Then you just push down. That's longitudinal. And then if you want to reverse it, you just it's coming back this way. Going that way.
Okay. Alright.
Try the half nut. Put that there. Oh, that's going really fast. That's the half nut. I'll put it back in forward position. There's all these are all your different threads and feeds. As you can see, it's got a lot of different kinds. And right here, you can really adjust your brake, how much brake you want on it.
Well, thank you for watching the video, and if we can answer any questions, give us a call, 801-531-9500. Thanks.